Alright guys, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. So for those that participated in this project called Celia airdrop, though the project was active as of since last year towards this year. So if you know you participated in the project, the claim button of the project is already activated. So we are waiting for the launch of the project, so you can now check your allocation and claim it. Okay, so this is all you have to do. You first of all head straight to your Telegram. Once you are in your Telegram, you locate the search bar. You search for Celia mini bot. Celia mini bot. Hope you guys can see this first one that says Celia mini. You click on it. Then you will see this interface that says Celia exchange. You click on launch app. You click on launch app. Then you will see your allocation. So this is where you will see what you got from the project. So you scroll up, you will see this particular button that says claim. Okay, so you click on the claim. Then they say watch video. You don't necessarily have to watch any video. Okay, so they say you haven't applied for Celia claiming. Please provide your BSC wallet address, which is Binance Smart Chain wallet address. Enter your BSC wallet. So all we have to do is to head straight to our either Web3 wallet of our choice and get the BNB wallet address. So you can use your Trust wallet or MetaMask or anyone. So let me head straight to my MetaMask and get my address. So give me some time, guys. Let's load up. Let it load up. Alright guys, I'm already inside my MetaMask wallet. So all you have to do is to find the BNB Smart Chain. So any exchange you are using, either Trust Wallet or anyone, you just have to select the BNB. So for those using MetaMask, you click on this upper button where you see Polygon minutes. You scroll up and you can see BNB here. So this is what we need. But if your own is not showing BNB, all you have to do is to click on add network. You will see option to add BNB. So let's click on add network. By that time you will see BNB somewhere around here. Okay, so you just hit on add and it will be added to your dashboard. Okay, so all I have to do is to activate BNB. You can see BNB Smart Chain. Hope you guys can see it. Then this is my address here. Sorry guys. This is my BNB wallet address here. You can see the beginning OX, D1, D9, D2. So if I still click on BNB here and scroll up, if I still click on it and scroll up and click on receive, you will still see that the whole address is here, OX, D9, D2. So this is how to confirm it, okay? So I can just copy it from this side. Then I will head straight to my paste it there. So let's wait for it to load up as well. Alright, it's loading up, so you just have to give it some time. Alright, you scroll up as well again, click on the claim button, come out the advertisements. Ensure you are very careful when doing this to avoid mistakes. So all I have to do is to paste the wallet that I copied. I will cancel this. I still have to cancel it again because of privacy cookies. I will come out of this. I will paste the wallet that I copied. Then I will click on validate address. Okay. All I have to do is to scroll up. You come out this task preparation service. Let me wipe it. Alright, so after you've pasted your address, you hit on validate. After you hit the validate button, you will see your amount here. All you have to do is to hit on claim. Alright, so that you can see you have successfully claimed your Celia tokens. So the next thing is for you to wait. You will receive an email address that verifies that you have already claimed. So you can see your claim request has been received. You will receive a mail my email address once our team process your claim request. So that is just how to claim your Celia token. If you know you are among people that participated in this project, do well to claim your own token immediately. So that is just it in this video. Thanks for watching. Till I come your way next time. See you in our next video.